Hello children, we have already started chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable of standard 8th. We have completed up to exercise 2.2. Now we are continuing with the same theory but little bit higher order questions in exercise 2.3. So let's see what all things are coming up. The question is quite simple. Solve the following equations and check your results. Now here one more part is to be done. You have to find out the answer. You have to check your answer also. Whenever you are asked, you have to make it out. You have to do it. Now our first equation that is given is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. The method is all usual methods. How do we proceed? We take all the like terms on one side and we take other things on the other side. I mean LHS and RHS separated out. Here we are going to transpose 2x on the left hand side. That is how you will have all terms having x on left hand side and the constants on the right hand side. So, transposing 2x, we get it as 3x minus 2x equal to 18. 2x on the right hand side has a plus sign with it. On the left hand side it becomes minus 2x. You can easily solve it. 3x minus 2x is x, which is equal to 18. Now children, you have already got the value, but you have to check. And how do we check? Yes, LHS separately, RHS separately. So verification will take LHS, substitute this value of x, that is 18 in LHS, get the answer. Here we are getting it as 54. Now solve for RHS. RHS, it is 2x plus 18. So substitute x as 18 and proceed further. So you get it as 54. And now we have verified that LHS and RHS, it is equal. So we will say our answer, that x equal to 18, it was correct. Next, second sub question, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Your line of this is how you are going to proceed. Take t on one side and all the constants on another side. So 3t will be transposed to the left side and minus 3 will be transposed to the right hand side. This is what you get, 5t minus 3t, and minus 5 written as it is, minus 3 moves to the right hand side and becomes plus 3. Now you have to solve LHS RHS separately. So LHS becomes 2t, RHS becomes minus 2. And you get the value of t as minus 1. Verification now. As usual, children, you will start with LHS, put the value of t here as minus 1 and proceed further. The rest is all mathematical. You get the LHS to be minus 8. Now solve for RHS. RHS is 3t minus 5. Again substitute t to be minus 1. Do the multiplications, additions, subtractions, whatever they are there, and you get RHS to be equal to minus 8. Again you will see that LHS equal to RHS. So you have checked your answer and it is absolutely correct. The third one, 5x plus 9 equal to 5x plus 3x. Sorry, 5 plus 3x. The same method again. X, that is the variable things to be taken on one side. Here we are taking on the left hand side and the constants on the right hand side. So this is what you get. 5x minus 3x on the left side and 9 moves here on the right side. It becomes 5 minus 9. So you get it as 2x equal to minus 4, which can be solved further to x equal to minus 2. The next step is checking verification. So your verification includes LHS. Substitute the value of x to be minus 2 and solve it. You get LHS to be equal to minus 1. RHS, it is 5 plus 3x. Substitute the value of x and you get it as minus 1. Again LHS RHS equal, that means your value, that is x equal to minus 2, was absolutely correct. With this, let's move to 6th sub question. There are certain questions which you will try on your own. Here the example is 8x plus 4 equal to 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. Open the brackets and start solving. When you open the bracket on the right hand side, you get it as 3x minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 on the right hand side can be solved further. Solve it. This is what you get. Next step is transposing the numbers on the proper sides. So 3x will be transposed to left side and plus 4 will be transposed to right hand side. So this is what you get. It is 8x minus 3x equal to 4 minus 4. And you get 5x equal to 0 after solving it. So x can be told to be equal to 0. It can be the value of x also. Let's try the verification part. Verification, LHS equal to 8x plus 4. You substitute x to be equal to 0 and you get the answer to be 4. Let us try the RHS. Again substitute x to be 0 and you will get RHS also to be equal to 4. So it means LHS equal to RHS and you have checked your answer. It's correct. Another sub question. X equal to 4 by 5. In the bracket it is x plus 10. Transpose 5 initially. So you get 5x equal to 4. In the bracket it is x plus 10. Open the bracket. Transpose 4x on the other side. You have x equal to 40. Now you have to do the verification. Verification, LHS is directly equal to 40. For RHS, you will be substituting and solve it. You get it as 40. That means LHS equal to RHS and it's verified. The last sub question now. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Let's begin with the solution. All terms which have x are taken on the left hand side and the constants again on the right hand side. This is how you have got it as 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1. Now solve both the sides separately. Left hand side will include LCM method. So solve it and you get it as 3x upon 15 equal to 2. Transpose 3 and 15 also on the other side, 1 by 1, and you get x equal to 10. So you can say that you can proceed with verification. LHS is this. Substitute the value, you get it as 23 by 3. RHS is this. Substitute again and get the value of RHS. That also comes out to be 23 by 3. That means LHS equal to RHS. With this, we conclude that our value of x was absolutely correct. That's all for now. We'll continue with the next exercise in the coming video. Thank you, children.